Hello, my name is Eileen from Philippines. I'm 35 years old. I'm a single mother. I have one kid and she's 11 years old. I'm a college graduate of a practical nursing. Before I work in Kuwait for 2 years and in Dubai for 4 years. I do laundry, marketing, cooking, washing of clothes, washing of dishes, ironing clothes, washing of cars, and taking care of kids and pets. I'm a trustworthy person. I'm hardworking, honest, loyal, and dependable. I can work also without supervision. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my child a better future and to invest their insurance. And to my new employer, thank you for selecting me, and I will do all my best. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!